In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money with the Praktika affiliate program. You can make 30% reoccurring commission for 1 year, and if you sign up this month, you can make up to 50%. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's my platform where you can come and find the best affiliate programs in the world completely for free. And today we're going to be going over the Praktika affiliate program. If you haven't heard of Praktika, they are the #1 AI tutor app for learning languages. Over 30 million people have installed and used their app on the App Store as well as Google Play. And they have over 1.2 million ratings with an average rating of 4.8 stars. And a lot of people really like Praktika for a few reasons for learning languages. You can set your level. You can tell it what you want to study. If you want to learn words about traveling, if you want to learn how to order a coffee, if you want to learn how to book a hotel, if you want to use it for work, you can select the plan that works for you and it will make you a customized plan. It can also correct you if you speak wrong. It can give you helpful suggestions. It can track the vocabulary that you've learned over time. And it has a bunch of different teachers with different voices and kind of different personalities that you can learn from. And one of the very cool things about it is instead of you just talking to some voice, the teacher's face, it actually moves. It's actually like talking to a person, but it's an AI person. And one of the reasons it's gotten super popular is because there's a lot of people out there who they're scared to make mistakes. They're scared to book a real teacher, so they feel more comfortable studying with an AI teacher. And not only that, it's so much cheaper. For example, if you learn with a teacher on some of the major learning platforms, you're going to spend about anywhere from $5 to $30 an hour, depending on the language. So if you study many hours, this can easily add up. Versus you can use Praktika and you can study unlimited times with the teacher for just $8 a month. So it saves you a lot of money. And currently the app supports 12 different languages and they'll probably expand it to more languages in the future as AI models get better. And the affiliate program pays very well. It's 30% reoccurring commission for 1 year. And they have a special going on for affiliates where you can earn 50% up until the end of 2026 if you sign up this month. So I highly recommend, if you guys are watching this video right now, you sign up and you take advantage of this promotion that they have for affiliates. And signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. All you need to do is click the link down below and click join now. And then you can go ahead and put in an email and you'll get a 6-digit code sent to your email and you can use that as your password. And then this is what the dashboard looks like. And here's your link right here. And you can go ahead and copy it and start sharing it. Another really good thing about the affiliate program is a lot of independent affiliate programs that aren't on networks, they don't have many payout options, but they have 3 different payout options. So this is really good. You can get paid out via PayPal, Wise, or bank transfer. The minimum payout is $100 and the cookie length is 30 days. If you want some ideas on how you can promote this affiliate program, you can always come to affiliate.watch and go to the Praktika listing page. And if you scroll down, you'll see this where it says ask AI how to promote this program. And you can ask ChatGPT, Claude, and a bunch of different AI providers, and they'll give you different promotion strategies. And you can see here, ChatGPT gives a bunch of different strategies that you can use as an affiliate and also ranks their potential. I highly recommend you sign up to this affiliate program. And if you're seeing it this month, sign up to it immediately so you can get that 50% commission this year. And if you want to find more affiliate programs, make sure to check out affiliate.watch. And I hope you have a great rest of the day.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.